No, me first. Oh, a cactus? Why me? Okay, I got this. A trim is in order here.
But will that help the taste?
Only one way to find out.
Oops! I've got a bad feeling about this.
Ugh, gross. Ugh, no thank you.
I told you. I'm up then. Ooh, a chocolate cactus. Fun.
That looks tasty.
Oh, you have no idea.
Maybe you'll share with your friend?
For that, we'd need more. So, I'll help him grow.
You're a genius.
That grew 10 sizes in the blink of an eye. Now there's more than enough.
Gotta catch some.
I'm not sure I can finish this.
Not even with Michael's help. Thanks, Emma.